What's up, YouTube peoples? It's Jeremy Cash, back with the Sneaker Division. Cesar Perez here. We got a doozy for you today.
A doozy?
Doozy. 4 pairs of shoes. My buddy Pat was able to secure everything except for 1 pair of the brand new Super Mario shoes. He's like the biggest Mario, or like, I don't know, Nintendo geek that I know. He had to have got these shoes. He didn't have a choice. We're gonna go ahead and get to the first one right here. All right, so these are the RS Fast Super Mario Galaxies. That's pretty dope though. The tissue paper's got all the different video games throughout the years. Yeah, it's a good one.
Nice. Off the bat, I like the little chainmail medallion that you get here. I like the star here.
You only get that on the one side though, the Mario guy.
2007 on the tongue, the back of the tongue.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's dope. That reminds me of that, like, Mario Party, man. Remember that? I mean, it's called Galaxies, and they got like, it looks like they're from the stars. It looks like you're literally in the stars with them.
For some Pumas, these are pretty dope. I love the splash on the midsole.
Oh, and by the way, first pair of Pumas ever on the channel. I like the black and purple. I'm a fan of purple, obviously.
It's got Super Mario Galaxy inside.
Yeah. Oh, here's another pair of laces too. So you got the purple laces that are coming with it right now, and then you got some black and white laces with some silver, the same silver tips that are on the purple ones. So Super Mario Galaxy from 2007.
Pretty dope.
That's what these are modeled after. It's like, what do you say, like 10 out of 10, like, or 0 out of 10? What do you give these? I'm gonna say like a 7.4.
Yeah, I could give it a 7.
Those are pretty sick. I like that. These are the Future Rider Super Mario 64s. You played 64, right? Super Mario 64s?
Yeah. I love the paper. I love the box.
Yeah, me too. It like definitely brings back those vibes of like 90s nostalgia for sure.
The midsole, off the top, I can tell you, it reminds me of the
Legos.
buttons. No, the buttons of the Super Mario, like the Super Nintendo and the Super Mario 64.
Okay, I can see that. So these are just like pretty much straight up Mario colors. The shoes, I feel like it just match his clothes straight up. And on this one, you got like the you got the Mario little tag on this one.
Yeah, that's the back
flying.
one.
But if you look on the back too, he's got the wings.
Yeah, he does got the wings.
That's dope, just like he's got on the thing. And then yeah, you got the bricks on the side. I got bricks on my side too, on both sides.
Both sides, yeah.
That's pretty dope, man. I like these a lot. I've been sleeping on Pumas, man. Pumas are pretty, like, shit, not just the shoe, like, silhouettes and everything like that, but also the collaborations that they're doing are pretty sick too. Oh yeah, and then 1986 in the tongue. So that was, I mean, that was definitely one of my favorites, dude. I played the crap out of Nintendo 64.
Oh yeah, spent countless hours, days.
One of my favorite games on Nintendo 64 was Rogue Squadron. But dude, here, can you wrap one up? Because they're apparently individually wrapped. I like these a lot. What are you gonna rate these? I gotta give these like, yeah, I was gonna say, like, I gotta give these like an 8.3.
8.3.
8.3, bro. I've been watching a lot of
8.3.
I've been watching a lot of The Presidente.
What is this?
Dave Portnoy. You know who that is? The guy who started Barstool Sports.
No.
So Barstool Sports, yeah, he does pizza reviews. All right, so these are the Clydes. The Clyde Super Mario Sunshine.
So if you don't know about Clyde and Clyde Frazier, hold up.
Oh.
He is a famous basketball player. He was before the Jordan era. That's what I remember. Now, from what I remember, Clyde Frazier, Mr. Clyde, he is very flashy.
Okay.
Like, even when he retired, he had these suits, man, that were like super flashy. He had like freaking cow type of suits, like cow patterns.
Yeah.
But they were like, I don't know, all types of colors, like black and red, or like, I don't know, weird colors. So he'll come out with like a camel type of looking type of suit, or like he was always loud and flashy. He was always loud and flashy. He was the flashiest. So I'm expecting these
to be flashy.
To be flashy, especially calling it Sunshine. And they're not. They're actually pretty basic and simple. They are pretty dope.
I like the yellow laces.
I like the Puma logo, like how.
Yeah, and it's got Clyde on the side, like.
Clyde on the side.
So this says 2002 on these.
You see that pattern that the blue has? Mm-hmm. Like he'll wear a suit that'll have like that type of pattern.
So this is from Super Mario Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
Super Mario Sunshine was, I guess, a game that came out in 2002.
Super Mario Sunshine, ladies and gentlemen. Have anybody else heard of that?
It's a pretty famous game, man.
It's not. It's not.
I can't remember the name of the island that you were going for or whatever, but that's what this is like modeled after. But it's a pretty basic shoe, but it is pretty, I like it a lot.
Again, with the little medallion icons.
And then you got the yellow laces that go with it, like to match the sunshine portion of it.
Pretty cool.
But, yep. These,
I like the material, very nice, suede.
It's kind of like a dress shoe though, in my opinion.
Yeah, it's like a dressy sneaker.
Yeah.
Like, this could go with some suits, you know what I mean?
Definitely. I give these 7.2.
7.
These are the Future Riders, NES, Super Mario's, Nintendo Entertainment System.
Wow, this. I still have my own Nintendo.
I think these are individually wrapped too, buddy. There you go.
Jeez. Oh, yeah. It reminds me just like the Nintendo console. It even has a little reset button. Yes.
Mine says power.
How about this? When you used to take out the freaking cartridge out, blow that thing.
All the time.
And then stick it back in. I love how it has Super Mario, the original one.
So this one's got
the controller.
The controller.
I love it.
For your little shoe jewelry, the controller. And it's got the Super Mario Bros, like the original game logo from the game cartridge, right on the tongue. And then actually, if you look inside, pull your tissue out.
Mine's got Koopa.
Nope. It's got like a full screen almost.
Yeah. Just saying, I had Koopa.
No, it's Bowser, bro.
I mean, yeah, Koopa Bowser.
But so it's got like basically the entire scene of like the end credit or the end game of Super Mario Brothers. But these are beautiful, man, and they match the system perfectly, like the old system colors. The only thing that I have like throws me off a little bit is what is this tag right here? What is this real red tag?
I don't know, but it's been consistent in every single one of the Pumas we've touched, except for the first one.
These I would have to give like 8.8 for sure. What about you? What are you thinking?
I'd give it an 8. This is throwback, old school. I love it.
You can definitely see yourself rocking these.
Yeah, I can rock those. Again, the thing with Pumas is that I would probably have to get like a size and a half to a whole size higher because they are slim. They run slim.
These look awesome, man. I love the way these look. I'm so glad I got these.
Oh, crap. Yeah, man, these are dope. It brings back a lot of memories. Lots of me playing Super Mario. I mean, I have countless of games too, like the WWE or WWF, the Ninja Turtles.
Oh, the Ninja Turtles is my joint right there. Tecmo Bowl was my biggest one. Like that was whenever you felt accomplished though. Whenever you finished the video game, you know.
Oh yeah, man.
Like you played through the whole thing. There was no save points generally,
yeah.
So you had to get either a cheat code that they gave you so that you can like go back to your save point,
or what you know about leaving your game system on for days.
Yeah.
Not turning it off.
Yep.
Because you can't stop or you can't save. If you stop and save, you start all over from. It's too hard. You gone too far. And so we'll leave the TV on with the home game system and everything. If we have to, turn off the TV, but the system's still running. You know what I mean? What? That was some good old days, though.
Yo, because like if you lost in the playoffs in Tecmo Bowl, like that you had to play over the whole season and everything, and like So like to actually get that trophy at the end, like it was such a stupid, like looking back on it now as an adult, like it was such a stupid ceremony, like a celebration ceremony. But like when I was a kid, like I was like running around the house screaming like, I got it! Whoa! Just like going to tell my brother, I got it, dude! I won! I really won! I won! My mom didn't care, and my brother, he kind of cared, but he also didn't care.
Probably jealous. Like,
yeah.
I still haven't beat that yet.
I beat it faster than him. It was nice to go down memory lane with all these Mario shoes. We only missed one shoe. I can't remember exactly which one it was, but I think it was like an all blue joint. But it was, we weren't able to secure it. So, oh well, maybe next time, or we might complete the collection one day. But remember guys, until next time, it's nice to be important, more important to be nice.
And we will catch you later.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. There's more over here if you like where that came from.
Remember, like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. We'll catch you later.